Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick update regarding Windows 10 21H2, which is going to be the second feature update rolling out this year for Windows in the latter half of 2021. And the first feature update is Windows 10 21H1, and that is going to be rolling out very soon. I think though that Windows 10 21H2 is the one that we're all going to be looking out for, because that's going to have a couple of new features and the fluent design look and feel in the Windows 10 operating system. Now, in the latest preview build of Windows 10 21H2, it now looks like the Task Manager is going to be getting an upgrade with a couple of new features. Now, if you go to your taskbar and you right click on it and you click on Task Manager, you get to your Task Manager, which is a very handy piece of software which has been around basically since the inception of Windows. It gives you a few options where you can see the amount of processes running per user session. It gives you the option to enable or disable startup programs that are running when you boot your PC. It gives you your CPU usage, your memory usage, your GPU, your graphics processing unit on your graphics card, just the usage there. And then you can see the running apps that are open, and then all the background processes that are running in the background in your current session in Windows 10. And then if there is a program or app that is giving a few problems, you can click on it and end that task, which basically, that's obviously if you have a little bit more knowledge about that app or program, because you don't want to crash your operating system. Now in 21H2 Sun Valley, it now looks like a new feature called Eco Mode has been added to the Task Manager, and this is just a screenshot taken from the latest preview build of the Task Manager, and it looks like now that the Eco Mode is there. So if you right click on a entry or process or app, you now have the option to enable Eco Mode. And basically what this does is it identifies resource hungry apps and gives you an option to throttle their memory and their CPU usage. And this is particularly useful when one of these processes or apps is consuming high resources, and you actually don't want to end that process, and you can use the Eco Mode to limit its consumption and give you priority to your apps that you need to get the work done. And I think this is going to be particularly useful with high-end computing tasks like video editing, gaming, and so on. And it will actually give you an overall performance boost on your PC, and then it will give you better foreground responsiveness to the apps that you actually need to get your work done. And this is also going to be useful when you are running a laptop on battery power. Obviously it will just extend the battery life on your laptop as well. So Eco Mode, I think, is going to be handy. Just gives you an option, and just another option to basically boost the performance of your Windows 10 operating system. Now, another new upgrade to the Task Manager is it's now going to have better Microsoft Edge integration. And this is just a screenshot of a session of Microsoft Edge, where we can see where it can just now monitor the resource consumption of Microsoft Edge, like the extensions, tabs, processes, and so on. So we can see here in the screenshot, you can see the extensions, your subframes, your tabs that are open, your services, and there are a couple of these available in the current Task Manager, in the current version of Windows 10, but this is just adding a couple of more options to have better integration between Microsoft Edge and Windows 10 in the update, the 21H2 update. And basically it can identify all the running websites, your progressive web apps and services, as I mentioned earlier. So just a couple of handy features that are going to be added to the Task Manager in the rollout and release of Windows 10 21H2. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.